Hey, what's going on, everybody? Yeah, this is the Rode Wireless to Go. I'm about to hook it up, and right now you see me. That's the mic. That's the I'm fiddling around with the mag clip box and trying to get it together. As you can see, I'm pulling out all the parts and stuff like that. Not too many things came with it. No instructions. Just the mag clip, two pieces. That's the main piece. Goes on the back of the receiver. Transmitter. Da 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 da. I'm hooking on the other one. Da 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 da. Here we go. Boom, bam. I'm hooking onto my shirt. Bing, 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 bing. I'm getting ready to test it. Bing, bing, back hook onto my shirt. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, here we go. Get ready to cut the camera on, and we're about to get started. Bang. See, there's the mic levels. Cool. Get it correct. Cut the mic on. Mic check. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Here we go. 1 2 1 2. Everything is on the go. See, the mic levels is going, and we're going to do a little bit of a video here. See, zoom in. Like that, but don't want to zoom in on it. Okay. Maybe I need to change lenses. Maybe, yeah. Let me change lenses just so I get a better video on what we got going on. Okay, that's on there. Let me see what video we got now. There we go. And I'm gonna hit record. What's going on, everybody? Smooth One Productions here with the Wireless to Go mic setup. See, that's the on the camera. You see the wire hooked into the mic input. Here we go. You see the levels. You see me. You see the mic levels going. I'm talking through the Wireless to Go, which I hooked up with the mag clip. It's hooked on. I'm rocking and rolling, and I'm ready to go. And this is what you see. I'm letting y'all see it. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.